Hi YouTube, welcome back to Bebe's Kitchen. Today I will show you how I make my homemade delicious crispy chicken tenders. Let's get to it. Alright, after rinsing off my chicken breast, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up into strips. One chicken breast gave me about 7 strips, and you can cut it to however size you like. Alright, so using regular mustard, go ahead and pour into a bowl. As you can see, I already have my all-purpose flour in another bowl. I'm going to add my special spice, but you can add whatever spice that you like. I'm going to add a little bit of oregano, a little bit of garlic salt, and last but not least, a little bit of complete seasoning. Alright, go ahead and give it a good mix. After mixing, go ahead and transfer your strips to the mustard sauce. You want to make sure you baste it well on both sides. Now go ahead and put them in your all-purpose flour. While doing so, make sure your oil is nice and hot. I have mine set to medium setting. Alright, now I'm going to give it a good shake. You want to make sure you coat it well. Now I'm going to take the strips and add it to my oil. Once your chicken is ready, chicken tenders should be golden brown on both sides. They're starting to look nice and golden. There you have it. Nice, juicy, crispy chicken tender strips. Bon appetit!